Okay, so here we are. It's a beautiful day in Kentucky, and I'm gonna show you how to tie-dye and tie-dye bleach some shirts. So here are the materials you're gonna need. One, you need a bottle of bleach. Clorox works best. Two, you need all your shirts or any other cotton clothing works. And then you're also gonna need these gloves, which are very rare, and I had to go to like 8 different stores to find them. Also, you need to get a tie-dye kit. And what comes in the tie-dye kit is like all these different dye powders and rubber bands, and then like that plastic thing comes in it. And then also you need water, and that's all. Okay? So let's get right into it. Thing you should do is put on your gloves, and these are mostly for the bleach, because you don't want to mess up your skin or anything. Next, we gotta fill up all these little powder things. Well, actually, I'm not gonna use all of them, so I'm only gonna do certain ones to the line where it says fill the line with water. And then after you do that, you shake it up. Fill it up a little bit. These 5 colors: yellow, orange, green, red, and navy. This looks turquoise, but it says it's gonna be green, so I don't know about that one. We'll see. And you just have to make sure you get all the powder out. So now for the bleach, you just have to take one of the bottles you have that you're not gonna use. So black, who the heck's gonna tie-dye something black? So I'm just gonna pour this shit in the trash. And then, gross. Get all this stuff out of here, wash out the bottle. I'm just gonna pour that, fill it to the top with just straight up bleach. I got all my bottles here. That one's the bleach one. Then I have some warm colors for this shirt, and then I'm gonna do green and blue for this shirt. I think it should look good. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, wear clothes that you're okay with getting dirty, that you don't care about, because this shit's leaking everywhere. Already on my shirts and stuff, so no going back now. Take your fingers right here, and you just swirl the shirt around. And then you gotta get your rubber bands. And you're gonna do 1 rubber band here. You're gonna do you only need 3 to 4 rubber bands on each shirt. Like, have an intersection point on both sides. So like you can see the middle is right there. And if I flip it over, it's right there again. Windy as heck out here. All right, so basically you just pick a color, take the top off if you can do it one-handed, and it's already leaking everywhere, and you just put it in like this. So this is the orange, I think. You just spray it like that. Spray that. All right, so once you do that, you just soak each little sector, So I got yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red. And then after I do that, I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing, same colors on the other side. Like coordinating. I'm trying not to get ink all over my phone right now. All right, that should be good. Now the next step you have to do is wrap it in saran wrap for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so now I got that wrapped up, and I put another rubber band on it just in case. I got orange stuff all over myself and my phone. And now we're gonna do the second one. So this is a different technique, and you just pretty much like clump it up like this. Like, you just clump it up, that's the whole thing. Clumped it up, push it all together, and then put 3 rubber bands on it again. Next, you just take your colors and you just do like literally random That one's all set. Now we're going to this one, the bleach one. You gotta be extra careful out there, kids, if you're working with bleach. Make sure there's a supervisor around that knows how to handle bleach so you don't hurt yourself. So basically, I'm probably gonna do like a little swirl around the logo and then see what happens. So I'm gonna roll it up. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing with the bleach as I did with the other colors, except I'm being extra cautious this time because bleach can hurt you. You just wanna douse it in bleach. That got pretty messy, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see what that ends up looking like. There you have it. I got my bleach one, swirl one, and the one where I bunched it all up. I'll get back to you in 6 to 8 hours and show you the next steps. So now that it's been 6 to 8 hours, I'm gonna unwrap each of these and then rinse them out in the sink and just get as much of the dye out as you can. And after this is done, you just throw each of them in the washer and dryer, like separately though, because they can't go in the same washer because the colors will fade into each other. Okay, so this is the last one. They're all in the dryer. All right, I'm back outside. So after, washing and drying, I dried them all together. I washed them separately. Here's what we got. They look pretty cool. The swirl one didn't work out like at all, but I think it's because I was too messy with my swirl. You got to be real delicate. But here they are. So yeah, that's how you tie-dye your shirts and bleach them. Be careful with the bleach. And drop a like down below. Okay, goodbye.